Step 1 is to get your phone. Step 2 is to click play and watch a YouTube video, and step 3 is to get paid real money and real cash straight into your account. All you have to do is watch YouTube videos like this one you're seeing right now. Now, how great is that? And you can get paid money in the same way as you can see here with $100 sent directly to your account. In today's video, this method will be very easy and simple for new beginners who have never made any money before, and it's completely free. You won't have to spend any money to accomplish this, and the good news is that it's available worldwide. Now, in this video, I'll show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free account and a variety of bonuses that can help you earn even more money to triple your money. So, make sure you pay attention and watch this video all the way through. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So first, I want you to go to this website right in front of your screen. Essentially, this service allows you and me to earn money online simply by viewing videos. Take a look at some of the most recent withdrawals. They'll show you that actual money is being cashed out every day by people from all over the world. Take a look at this. It's only today, and we can see how open they are about showing you how much money you're earning and how much money you can pay out. Take a look at all of these people right here from various countries who may withdraw their money into their bank accounts, PayPal accounts, or whatever payment methods they like. Now, I want you to carefully follow each step in this video so that we can begin making money. Now, once you've arrived at the homepage of this website that I'll reveal later on, I want you to click on the join button right here, and you'll be taken to this page where you can register for free and create an account. Here, you can simply enter your username, email address, password, and confirm your password once again. And for the location, it will automatically detect your location right here, so don't worry about that. And the good thing is that they accept people from all over the world. So right here, we have to put the CAPTCHA. In this case, I simply type whatever numbers appear on my screen. Now, once I've filled up all my information, I'm simply gonna click on these blue join buttons right here. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see something similar to this. Don't worry, you can do this on your phone or your computer. Now, take a look at this on the top. As you can see, your account is not confirmed yet, and you must confirm your email in order to pay out your points, and that's all you really need to start fully setting up your account. So, when you get to your dashboard's homepage, go in and click on these YouTube buttons, plays, likes, dislikes, and subs, and they all can be found here. Now, as you can see when you arrive at this page, I want you to click on this red button right here that says play. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page to see where you can start watching YouTube videos and earning money online. Okay, here's the first piece of advice I have for you. Pay close attention because in order to gain points, you must watch the videos on YouTube for at least 35 seconds. You can now convert your points into cash once you've earned them. So, in this example, if you want to watch the video, you may earn points by doing so. All you have to do is click on the blue play button right here, which will lead you to the YouTube videos as shown here. When you return to the website, you'll notice that the countdown has begun for 35 seconds. So once these count down from 35 seconds to 0 seconds, you can earn 7 points by simply doing that. This means that you don't actually have to watch the video because you can pause it right there on the website, go back to the website, and wait until the time countdown finishes, and then you can earn points by doing this trick. Now, as you can see on my new account, which currently has points from merely watching videos, I'll show you another example in a moment. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. if we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating more money to me, we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, if I go down farther, you'll notice points right here. Go ahead and press the play button right here and it will take you to this YouTube video again. I simply paused the video. I didn't actually watch them. Instead, I returned to the website where you can see the countdown is starting. It's counting down 35 seconds till you are paid, and all you have to do now is, well, wait. As you can see, the points have been added to my account. You can view as many YouTube videos as you want. It's actually incredibly simple and easy. They'll keep refreshing for you over the next few days. So right now, I want to give you another additional tip that will help you quickly double or triple your money. For example, if you want to get points by watching this video, you can open a different tab on your phone or computer and view the second video to earn more points, and you can watch both videos at the same time. That is, you don't have to waste 35 seconds of your time by watching a single video. Instead, you can open as many new tabs as you like and view as many videos as you want, including 5, 7, or even 10 videos at once. So, to give you an example, let me do it right now. Let's say you open a new tab for this movie and click on the play button right here. Then, you open another tab and watch the second video just by clicking on the play button once more. And as you can see, I'm gonna watch one video and then another video at the same time. As you can see once again, I can go back to this page and start the 35-second countdown for the first video, and then the second video will start the countdown again. So I'm watching a lot of YouTube videos and making a lot of money much faster than other people. This is a very cool and extremely efficient technique for you to watch 5, 10, or even 20 videos at the same time. As you can see, the credit points were added to your account immediately when I returned to this page. Watching 10 or 20 videos at once is pretty cool and a very good approach to generating several streams of income. So right now, I'd like to give you another additional tip. While you're watching YouTube videos like this one, go to the gear setting right here and change the playback speed from normal to double. Simply click on the 2 here and we'll be able to play the video twice as fast. What this means for us is we'll be able to make money faster. You may view a lot more videos and earn a lot more money online if you work hard enough. Also, another bonus step that I'm gonna give you is that if you go to the quality area right here and choose automatic, you can also actually drop down to 144p right here, so we can watch on low quality and save a lot of time and data on our phones. With this, you'll be able to view a lot more videos and earn a lot more money. So now let's move on to the next bonus tip. When you click on this daily bonus buttons, you'll be taken to a page where you may claim daily or hourly bonus points. You can gain 100 daily points just by checking into your account every day and watching 50 videos, or you can view 15 videos and get 100 daily points by doing so. That's a significant number of points. Now, for example, by watching this video, you can earn about 4 points, but after we acquire this bonus, we can easily earn 100 bonus points. There's also an hourly bonus where you gain extra bonus points and 25 points every hour by simply watching free videos. So this is just a great opportunity. By simply heading to the daily bonus section and watching more videos, you can be paid hourly or even receive daily bonuses. Finally, if you want to cash out your money, simply click on this cash out button right here and you'll be taken to a website where you may select the payment option to cash out your funds. You can cash out using PayPal, Perfect Money, and Bitcoin, for example. However, if you don't have this option right now, don't worry. You can get cash through a variety of methods as well. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world and accept a variety of payment methods. So basically, after you gain points by simply watching videos, you can convert those points into actual money, and all you have to do is earn roughly $1.50 to cash out your money. This is the minimum payout system, which means that once you earn $1.50, you can cash out or withdraw your money from your account, and all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 business days to receive your funds. It's that simple, and these are basically unlimited videos that you can simply watch and earn money online every day on. By the way, the URL of this website is followfast.com. Just go to followfast.com and follow everything I showed you and make money online. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.